Good evening, folks. Tonight I am armed with these products and this lovely switch light, as my current mission on this car is very, very basic. Just clean it up. So I'm going to use the Goo Gone and get rid of all this little sticky shit. Can just go around and clean all the glass and plastics that can benefit from it. My goal is to also clean up the interior as much as I can. I'm still seeking parts and kind of figuring out what my plan is for this car. I'm not just trying to go out and spend tons of money at first, so today I'm just focusing on cleaning things up. Got some degreaser down there with a rag. As you can see, I'd already begun on the cross member there. Shiny, not shiny. And yeah, I'm doing it at night because it's way too hot out here. And so it's cooled down. I can finally step outside and not feel like I'm dying. And unfortunately that doesn't make for very good filming. But I tend to do this in the summers here. I tend to work at night. I'm like a weird night owl, but whatever. Kind of fits. I play video games. I'm up to odd hours all the time. If I had my way and I didn't have to go to a job, I would be up more at night in the summer than in the day. But, you know, that's just how it goes. An update on my progress tonight. This whole floor plan is totally cleaned up. Quick update. It is a day after the previous video clip. Thought I'd show you where I'm at now. I did continue to clean in the engine bay, getting the road grime and grease off everything. It's going to be a process. So I have to crouch down into the engine bay, and I don't have the best back. In fact, it's quite broken. Anyway, so this battery was completely dead. I've had it on a battery tender, but that's not enough power to do anything to it. So I was at a friend's house and used their large battery starter, and put a bunch of juice through it and then let it go on like a medium charge for a few hours, and it showed a good rating when using their battery tester, so that is awesome. So I've hooked it up, and I'm about to see if we get any power through the car so that I can finally open this hatch, because it's an electronic latch, and as far as I know there's no manual way to do it. So hopefully this works. I'm honestly so happy this does not have electric seats. There's just more things to break. Okay. Now, got this switch key, which is pretty sweet. I'm excited to have one of those. Hey! Aw, yeah. That's what I like to see, baby. Look at that. No lie. 100,000 miles on this car. And HVAC is working. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? It is blowing away. Sweet. Alright, now, does the trunk popper open? Wait, where is the trunk popper? Because I was trying it on the key. I don't know if that's how you do it. Is there one in the car? VDC off. Hood. Gas cap. Oh, is that electric? Okay. So I don't know anything about operating a Z, so let's see, where else would that be? Glove compartment area. I may have to just plug it in. I do have the switch available. Maybe it's on the center console. maybe. Alright, I'll go grab the switch that I do have. See if I can't open it that way. Because as you can see, no bumper. Hey look, the fuel cap door worked. That's crazy, it's electric. I didn't know that. Nice, got a fuel cap. Alright, let's go grab that little deal. It's got the lights for the license plate and also for opening the rear hatch. Back into the messiest shed of all time. Actually, it's not the messiest shed of all time, but it is messy. This deal. Without this, I am unable to open it. Alrighty then. So and yeah, that is the way it goes. Now, it's awkward doing this one-handed, but whatever. I ain't got no film crew. Cool. Yes! It worked. Holy fuck, what is going on there? Oh, so that's why. So it's just been crushing this hydraulic for hella days. That's why it was sitting all weird. Yes, that is amazing. The chassis is not fucked up. I am so happy about that. Hell yeah. It is just this bullshit laying down in an odd way, possibly denting or ruining things, but fuck, that's nothing. So if I do that, let's see if it sits proper. I think so. I think that's our culprit. Yeah, they're symmetrical now. Hell yeah. So before it was like this really flush line, and then it even continued more flush against this light. But over here, the hatch was way pushed out. Like this gap here was not sealing at all. And this was basically over the light, but now they're pretty much matching. And I'll confirm by going through the inside. Shining this way. Yeah. It looks like that was the culprit. Good to know. Good to know. So I'm gonna undo this hydraulic ram and then figure that out later. It looks like it broke or something. It's not bolted in anyway. That is awesome. Alright, I just gotta undo that and we're good. We're in business. We got ourselves a working Z hatch. That is dope. Alright, let me hold up this hatch with something. I have many pieces of wood. You shall do. Random bird. Yep, sorry about that. I fumbled the video button. And sorry about that. I fumbled the camera as I was putting this up. So, yep, the pan in here in the trunk looks straight. That's good. Now I can actually get to it and clean it up. And nothing weird going on back here in the wheel wells or on this cross brace. That is cool. So this was my culprit causing all the worry. So I'm just gonna undo this bit and then we should be in business. Sorry the focus is so terrible on these night films. It's just my phone can't do very well. And working at night is kind of all I can do because of the heat and my work schedule. But hatch is up and car is straight. That's good news.